In the heart of Metropolis Mumbai lies a unique protected area, an urban wilderness spread over 103 square kilometers. Sanjay Gandhi National Park, popularly known as SGNP, surrounded by concrete high-rises. This is a real getaway to the sea of peace and tranquility, in contrast to the chaotic world outside. SGNP delights visitors with its rich biodiversity, its flora and fauna, and 2000 years old Buddhist caves at Kanheri. Though the thick undergrowth and undulating terrain makes it difficult to sight the elusive leopard, but last sensor marked presence of 35 free-roaming wild leopards in the SGNP.
Everybody needs a break from their busy lives. And I'm lucky that I've found a great place to spend some time in peace and tranquility with nature. And that too without having to travel hundreds of kilometers. Well guys, I'm going to enjoy my weekend at SGNP, staying in this amazing comfortable tented accommodation right inside the city wilderness. I'm ready for the nature trail inside the forest. SGNP is truly nature lover's paradise. You can't imagine what this place can offer unless he or she experiences it.
The Nature Information Center, also known as NIC, is your gateway to the SGNP. It conducts varied and multifaceted activities. With the help of 3D diorama, the naturalist explains the geography of the national park and its surroundings. He also shows you the route and destination of the trek. In our case, Jambulmal, the highest point of Mumbai. Explore and experience SGNP as you walk down the lanes of natural history with the naturalist. Looking at harvester ant nests, one realizes how good are these ants in architecture. SGNP still preserves thousands of years of old wild species of turmeric, grapes, etc. Looking at them, one could understand how the present-day cultivated varieties evolved from the wild stock. And yes, don't forget to have a closer look at ant pagodas. This army of ants will surely leave you awestruck.
If you are yet not convinced to spend your next week break here, then join me. Join me as I trek to the height of 1500 feet above sea level and show you the highest point of Mumbai. So finally, I've reached the top of Mumbai! Beautiful, breathtaking. Standing here, I understand the importance of SGNP to Mumbai. It's literally lungs to the city. It sucks away the pollution and pumps in fresh oxygen for us to breathe. It's even feeding Vihar and Tulsi Lake, in a way, quenching thirst of Mumbaikars. Hats off to SGNP. Come and explore the unique urban wilderness of Mumbai and immerse yourself with nature at Sanjay Gandhi National Park.